My name's Nick Street. I'm the Director of VICIVISION Engineering Limited. Been going for 12 years. We serve predominantly the aerospace industry, motorsport, medical. We run 11 sliding head lathes ranging from 4mm bar-fed machines to 38mm.
Aerospace accreditation, which we got our AS9100. We got that at our earliest possible opportunity just to show where we plan to be on quality, because as the logo suggests, you know, our reputation is everything. Vici has exceeded what Trust Precision expected to get from it. It's become an integral part of our processes. Most shaft type parts and even some parts that you wouldn't think of measuring, we will put on there as we evolve and learn what we can do with this equipment. You're measuring the part and all its external features, including the encapsulating thread. You're measuring it in seconds, and you're measuring it major, minor, pitch, everything to microns. The benefits we saw with the Vici, just speed and consistency and performance, and we've got the 11 machines constantly putting parts through. Sometimes the cycle can be 20 seconds, but often the parts have got to be 100% inspected. We can put them through a Vici, it'll be quick and it'll measure the key features that we need. We were getting busier and busier. We needed more capacity. We needed to be able to check these parts to make sure that we were totally confident what we were sending out was right. So it was speed as much as anything. But then when we got it, we find out how much more you can do. And it opened up doors that we just could never imagine how we could have done it before.
Particularly what I was looking for was being able to measure intersections that manually I couldn't have checked. So it's just opened up areas of inspection where before I would have expected them to be right because the profile was machined on a CNC. I can check certain features, whereas, you know, a radius into another radius into an angle, I couldn't have done. When you start getting down to a few microns, there can be a discrepancy between one person and another, whereas with the Vici, you don't get that. Everybody checks it the same.
We couldn't differentiate or see any benefits with any machine above what Vici could do. We like the operating software with Vici. The guys are comfortable with this, operating it, no problem. A lot of the guys are programming it because the software is so user-friendly. It's become almost like our default tool for most of our turn parts because it's so quick and easy to use. We're more than happy. I mean, originally we liked the software, we liked the products, and it's proven itself. VICIVISION, for someone who is producing volume turn parts, if they were looking for a shaft vision machine, I'd say don't buy anything till you've looked at the Vici.